For watch lovers, wearers, and collectors, this is STATIO, the perfect watch stand. Meaning both watch and stand in Latin, STATIO is designed for use with all mechanical, battery, and even smartwatches. It's made of ultra-soft silicone, paired to a premium hardwood base that is the perfect resting place for your wristwatch. Available from launch with a walnut or maple base, each STATIO cone is removable, revealing a protective storage compartment and catch tray inside. They're ideal to keep on your bedside table, at your desk, or to take with you while traveling. The cone is tapered to match any wrist size and prevent straps from stretching. They can be used with watches of any size, style, or clasp design. For smartwatch users, the top dome and cutouts fit most chargers perfectly and can be used to store small accessories the rest of the time. Wristwatches of all types are incredible pieces of engineering. They take a beating and, like you, deserve a comfortable place to rest at night. We're extremely proud of STATIO and know it'll be something loved by our backers and anyone they choose to gift them to. Please support the campaign and share with your friends. From the small team at Marked by Time, thank you.